blessings, my distant relatives. How are you guys? I am making a quick video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'm sharing this knowledge that I have because it was always a struggle to figure out if I wanted to eat plant-based, if I wanted to eat vegan, what to eat and what works for me. This has been a journey of me leaving ITAL food alone, vegan food alone, because it was a struggle of finding out like what my body likes. So I'm gonna keep making these videos as I continue to dive back in the ITAL vegan plant-based world. So I want to show you the meals that the Virgo family cook up today. I have the ackee, no saltfish, cut up with some peppers, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic. We got asparagus, green beans, red onion. This is inspired by Ethiopia. They add potatoes and other things to it, but we just do beets here. Let's uncover the pot now. Watch ya know. This is what we call shiro. It's basically like a thick gravy with onions, red onion and tomato. Typically is eaten with injera, but we did not make any injera today. We have some rice, some peas, dry pigeon peas, thyme, scotch bonnet, onion, garlic. All right, family, the plate is ready. So this was created and cooked up by a black woman and a black man, and this is all ancestral foods here. Everything come from Africa, no matter if you think it's Jamaican or it comes from the Caribbeans. Watch ya know. Check that out. And again, family, I just want to share this meal with my black family who always struggle with figuring out what to cook when you want to eat plant-based and get your frequencies up, because what we do frequently becomes our frequency. So we have to make sure we eating properly from time to time. And for us, it was a struggle, but you know, now we eating good food. All praises to the most. We have to give thanks that we're able to chef up some food like this, and it's a reality now that we know how to cook some good food. Watch that. If you watch this and got inspired, understand, don't be too hard on yourself. Eating plant-based is a whole journey. You try new things. Traveling helps a lot. I've been to Ethiopia. I've been to Jamaica.
Put me where the trees and the plants be. Put me where the trees and the plants be. Put me where the trees and the plants be. I stay high, I be where
Big up on
the
yourself.
plants be.
If you want to hit that like, go ahead, hit that like. Comment below. Tell me what's a plant-based ITAL dish you would add to this. Peace out, family. I hope you enjoyed this
Where the
clip.
trees and the plants be. I stay high, I be where the plants be. Transplant me where they don't be. No more Babylon round me. Moon and the sun are my best friend. Labrador right shine bright like a diamond.